You have to ask a candidate in his last 2 jobs. Did he come through a search firm? Did he come through a recruitment firm? What was the name of the firm? And tell them. I mean, if they ask why do you need to know, say that it's a part of our process. We like to understand, from you how you have moved. Have you worked with search firms before? So on and so forth. Ask them. Now, Raisha, what's going to happen is that when a candidate gets evaluated, and we're talking about candidate evaluation, this will become an integral part of the evaluation. So today it's not. This is one of the issues that we have with lead generation. Okay. What else? People working in various verticals. Do you read the papers? Do you read magazines? Do you read regarding your vertical at all? Quickly, yaar. I mean, like, we don't have all day here. For convenience sake, we'll begin with Priyanka and go like this, and like this, and like this. Okay? Now, do you?
Yes, somewhat.
Somewhat is not good enough. Linda, what is somewhat?
Somewhat means that the books I give her time, she reads that, or the link.
But how often are you guys doing it? Are you devoting at least an hour every day to do this?
No.
It should be done. You'll be surprised how many leads you guys will generate.
Yeah. Because of the link we
and how much knowledge you'll have about what's happening, how much at least अपने clients के बारे में तो पढ़ा करो, उनके direct competitors के बारे में पढ़ लिया करो, इतना तो कर लो. Every day come and Google search these things. Are you doing it?
Yeah, I tend to spend some time reading newspapers or like magazines, India Today or something. If I get any article in that, do some searches on net surfing.
Like your focus is cement. Are you reading a lot about cement?
Not lot, but yeah, I am doing some surfing on net.
On a regular basis?
On a regular, not a regular basis, but yeah, I can say on alternate days also.
Yeah, but are you feeding that information to Joyita, to me, to Sumant, to anybody?
No, I'm just reading the what exactly is the cement organization is all about. What is the structure, then how the cement factories work and all that stuff. So
you should be reading about the news. What is happening? Who's hiring? Right. Who's moving? What's the changes happening? How they are getting impacted by certain taxes, levies? Whose project is in trouble, who's starting new project. Those are the things that are of interest, na? So if she's not feeding it to you, so obviously you're not reading it either.
No, I go through the executive alerts which I get, but I am not regular. I go through them, the executive alerts on business which I get every day on my system.
I go through the ET every day and I make sure that I read about pharmaceutical vertical, who's merging with whom, who's planning to hiring and all that. Yeah, and if I don't do it in the house, I do it from here because we have a ET copy every day coming in. So
yeah. Shweta?
Yeah.
You find her well informed?
She doesn't feed any information to me. She's not been doing that, so I can't.
To be very honest, I didn't know that I have to feed it.
No, but you should awareness. If there are 4 people who work in this vertical, who are your colleagues, everybody is working on in the same vertical area. So if you're not talking to them, if you're not discussing with them, did you read? Have you seen? Do you know? And hopefully once you have a content person in place, maybe the person can also do this on a regular basis. Make sure that you guys get fed the right content. But till that doesn't happen, you should be reading. It's mandatory for you guys to read the business paper every day. So months for you is mandatory to read the business paper and all the business weekly, monthly magazines, yeah, because you'll pick up a lot of leads and ideas. It's just mandatory. It's not something which is optional. Reading the Mint or the Eco Times every day is mandatory in the company. Why am I forcing you guys to work an extra half an hour? So that in that extra half an hour, You guys can have a cup of coffee, have a cup of tea, go through the papers, read things of interest. You don't have to read the paper line by line. At least read the areas that you're working in. And please start doing this from today. Don't even wait for Monday. Raisha, we have to have a process to basically, get them in the groove. Once they're in the groove, like now we're in this groove of doing the huddle every day, so we're in the groove of doing the huddle every day. This rhythm has to be established with everyone in the morning. Like when people come in, the first thing they need to do is open their comms as their mails, download, read the papers. Read, there's an article they've earmarked in a magazine, quickly read it. Anybody who's doing research and they're reading stuff, if there are people's names and designations in the articles that you're reading, immediately cut paste into research. And in my mind, practically the entire operating team is doing research. All the way up to Shweta, I think she does her own research on a lot of things. So please cut paste into research. Vivek, can we have some kind of format on the desktop, some kind of a template which makes it easier for them because they're reading something, they just want to add somebody's name, they just want to, because you'll add it from different industries, it'll be fairly ad hoc and all, and it can be, there's a process by which it can be fed to you at the end of the day, every day.
Should I told you that कि उसमें आप नाम और इंडस्ट्री में बाकी लिख दो और एक्सेल शीट मुझे एंड ऑफ द डे मेरे को भेज दो, then मैं इसको अपलोड करा दूँगा, then decide
Raisha, there should be a process that needs to be monitored. Who's sending it every day? Because whoever is not sending is not reading.
Yeah.
And this reading has to just become a part of your life, whether you like it or you don't. I mean, like a pity that I have to danda maro to do this. You're in a consulting job, this should come to you naturally.
SJ, in the database, unless you have a position in the client, you can't update. Let's say I read Mint, and in fact I have a list of Excel file about 20 names and designations, the tasks that you asked us to do. But it really can't be updated into a database. Like if we could create a separate.
No, I created the Stellar database.
Unless there's a client in a position, you can't normally update research without.
But we have a research database.
Like you can't have a blank field for a client in position. Just update the name and the designation.
Just I created the Stellar database.
Why is our research database separate from the Stellar database?
No, just the client position we need to fill is a mandatory. Then I created the Stellar and then miscellaneous. Then
so we could have something called, let's say, a magazine or research or a red update, which he could create and then we upload all of that.
He has.
Yeah, I created. Yeah, already created.
Because I have that Excel file.
Raisha,
Yeah.
the whole process from beginning to end needs to be mapped. Who, what, when. This is how we map processes. It has to be given to every one of these people.
Right.
Yeah. Sanjeev, she may not know how to use it, who, what, when. Will you help her put this process together? This one you do? Okay. In terms of lead generation, another thing that we're not doing is that there are lots of leads that are dead cold or lukewarm. Our follow-up on those leads are not good so much. Okay, so we need to, because once you open the door and make the effort to see someone, it's such a pity to let that effort go waste. So actually going back in the database, we need between you and me a process where every week we go into the database, select 2 or 3 dead leads and revive them again. So that has to be mandatory for us.
So we can keep a weekly BD review kind of a thing as part of a schedule.
So you should, Raisha, please put a mail out on a particular day of the week. And I should have a
Just send a invite for the